Hi everyone, welcome to Banggood channel. Today I will show you a new smartwatch with application control. It's called KINGWEAR KC05. So let's see what's inside. Smartwatch. Charging cable. Instruction manual. Okay, that's all. The smartwatch has a 1.39-inch resolution screen with 400 pixels by 400. You may not believe that this watch has 1 GB RAM and 16 GB storage, and it has a 620 mAh battery. The official standby time is 9 hours, but when I used it, it lasted for 2 days. So anyhow, let's see how to use it. First, we need to download the app. Then find the connecting QR code, and you can connect the smartwatch with your smartphone by scanning the QR code. Now, we can check everything of smartwatch on the smartphone, like battery, sport, heart rate, and you can change the sport. Turn left. As you can see, there are many other functions. The smartwatch, like a smartphone, gives you the SIM card, it can call and message. Okay, let's try the phone call and message. Cool. There is an 8 million pixels camera on the right side. Let's see how it is. Okay, all of the pictures shoot by smartwatch. That's good. The band is made from the silicone. When you wear a smartwatch, you can feel that band is so soft. If you download the WeChat, you can also use the WeChat to buy what you want. I mean, if you can pay by WeChat in your homeland. The most important thing for you guys is the Google Play Store. You can find YouTube, Facebook, and everything you need. Another thing is that the waterproof of this smartwatch is IP67, which means that you cannot swim with it. It's just a life waterproof. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.